Welcome to Teacher IR's channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button. Thank you! God bless! Mwah!
Good day, this is Teacher I, and in today's video, I am going to share with you about rounding off and comparing of decimals. Let's go! So we have here the term test digit or the reference number. So to round off a decimal to the indicated place value, you have to look at the test digit or the reference number. You have to remember that if the test digit is less than 5, round off by dropping the test digit and all other digits to the right. It means that you are not going to copy the test digit and the other digit to the right of it. And after that, what will happen to the number to be round off? You have to retain. So, retain the digit to be round off so as the number at the left of the test digit. In example A, we have there 42 and 752,000, and we are going to round off to the nearest hundred. So the hundred there is the 5, and our test digit is 2. So therefore, if it's 2, you have to drop off that number and the other number to the right of it. So since there's no other number to the right of number 2, so only 2 will be dropped off. And then after that, you have to retain the number to be round off, which is number 5, and the other number to the left of it, which is the 42 and 7. So when you ask to round off, the 42 and 752,000 would be 42 and 7,500. The next example is 30 and 624,000, and you're going to round it off to the nearest hundred, and your test digit or reference number is 4. So you have to drop off the 4 since there's no other number to the right of 4. So just to drop off the 4 and then copy the number to be round off, which is 2, and copy the other numbers, which is the 30 and 6. So when you are asked to round off, the 6 be 30 and 6,200. Next one. Always remember then, if the test digit is 5 or more, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, round off. Okay, you have to round by dropping the test digit and all the other digits to the right of it, and then add 1 to the number to be round off. Okay, so you have to add 1 to the number to be round off. It's like example. Round off to the nearest thousand. So we have there the nearest thousand. 5, and their test digit is 8. So drop off the 8 and then plus 1 to 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6, and then copy the other number. So you have to copy the 42.75. Okay, we have there 30 and 6,235, 10,000, round off to the nearest thousand. So the test digit or the reference number is 5, which is 5 and up. So you have to drop off the 5 and plus 1 to 3. So your answer would be 3 plus 1 is 4. Then copy 30.62. So your answer would be 30 and 624,000. Okay, so let's have this one round off to the following decimal. So on the first 3, you're going to round it off to the nearest 10th, and on the number 4 and number 5 to the nearest 100. Okay, so you may get a paper and try to answer. So for you not to be confused, I'm going to circle the number to be round off. Okay? Number to be round off for 1 is 0. The number to be round off for number 2 is 2. The number to be round off for number 3 is 7. Number 4 is 4. And number 5 is 6. And the answering, let's answer them together. Number 1, the number to be round off is 0. And your test number or reference number is 6. We said that if it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you add 1 to the number to be round off. So you add 1, so plus 1 to 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. And then drop off the 6. Do not include number 6. So your answer would be 0.1. For number 2, your number to be round off is 2. Your test number or reference number is 5. So we said if it's 5 and above, plus 1 to the number to be round off. So 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. And drop off the 5. Do not include the 5. And then after that, copy the 60. So your answer to when you have to round off to the nearest things for the 60.25 would be 60.3. Number 3, we have there the number to be round off is 7. Your test number is 3. It means retain the number to be round off. So do not change the number 7 but drop off the 3. And then copy the other numbers to the left, which is 48. So 48.7 would be the answer. Next, number 4. Number to be round off there is 4. The test number or the reference number is 6. So we said it's plus 1 to the number to be round off. So plus 1 to number 4. So 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. And then copy the numbers to the left of it. So the numbers to the left of it is 0.7. So you have to copy it. So your answer for rounding off to the nearest hundred for this 0.746 is 0.75. Next, we have here number 5. Okay, the number to be round off is 6. Reference number or test digit is number 2. So it means we have to draft it up and retain the number to be round off. So it means just put it there 6 and copy the other number, which is the 71.5. So your answer would be 71.56. So thank you for watching. I do hope you learned from our lesson for today for our rounding off of decimals. So God bless everyone, and please subscribe to my channel. My channel is Teacher IR. Ayan. And I would like to give my shout out to the following kids who would always watch my video. They are Densalal Bitera, Liam Pagtakhan, Isaiah Payawal, Dave Belicano, Ivan Denisano, Cloud Pineda, Dominic Factor, Sean Ariala, Leah Mariano, Patricia Payawal, Dayan Belicano, Danny Pajaro, Nathan Flores, Micaela Francia, and also to Maxine Garcia. Mega love shout out sa inyo, kids. And kids, don't forget to study your lesson and always honor your parents. Always follow them and always love them. Keep on praying, and this is the Teacher saying bye-bye and happy learning. Until then!